Good morning, IITF team. My name is Sujoy Chowdhury. I'm a student of MBA construction, Real Estate Construction and Finance Management first sem. Here today I'm going to speak on the topic Introduction to Construction Management, and I'm choosing a particular topic on that. That is site management. What is site management? Site management is a detailed layout which we follow for the smooth and healthy progress of construction work at site. So here are basic things we follow from the beginning of this from the beginning like site planning, which are follows some key words which we follow in as a site planning. We can say that is that site boundary. We provide site boundary periphery. We provide periphery boundary in the area using GI tin sheets or using bamboo sheds. And later on we provide security room which we provide security room for the security and vigilance, and also CCTV cameras for vigilance at the site, for in and out movement of vehicles, in and out movement of workers, and other activities. Now we will go on the what we basically means when we go for site construction, what we basically develop at first. We develop temporary roads are developed for the accessing of the RMC milos, for accessing of the materials, for unloading materials in a vehicle, like dumpers, trucks, for sand, stone aggregates, cement, and many other chemical blocks, chemicals, and etc. So, and we prepare a proper steel yard for the reinforcement, for keeping the reinforcement above the ground. We develop cement go down. We develop cement go down for the means so that cement doesn't remain directly in contact with the soil, with the earth. The next topic, the subtopic, I will say, that is labor. For the labor productivity, if we provide proper shelter, for the laborers, if we proper sanitation facilities for the laborers who stays away from the particular project, can stay at that project in a hygienic way. So if the site is maintained, means if the sanitation is properly maintained, area is cleaned regularly basis, and labor shelter is provided, made up of GI tin sheet, temporary tin sheet, and septic tank and water toilet, means washrooms are properly developed. Then it gives means proper access for the laborers to stay at site and give their 100% output for the productivity of the work. Now we will develop quality management labs, that is a quality assurance labs, which is which is very essential, because it provides, means in a quality labs, we go for the crushing test or the compressive test of the concrete which you are casting, whether the concrete quality is good or not, whether for the means a sustainable building construction, we go for the rolling margins, that is that is the unit weight of steel, measuring the unit weight of steel. Then we go for the, means various other tests like block crushing test, and etc. Then moreover, we provide proper cutting and bending machines, which were placed at proper location, which should not be not too far from the project, and also not too close, which may cause any accidents, if it is near the building only, because for the high rise building, scaffolding is necessary, and safety nets are provided, but then also it should be kept at least little far, at least more than say, 6 to 7 meters distance apart, so that the reinforcement and so that the reinforcement work can smoothly progress at the ground level and at the ground level. These are the basic things, and the proper location should be developed so that the accessibility, so that the leading cost does not get increased for the subcontractors. It should be kept in a proper accessible way. And moreover we will also look after the we'll also look after the quality of the materials, the zoning of aggregates, for fine aggregates, coarse aggregates, quality of cement, various types of cement test will go for the will conduct. Then and practically while at the construction we'll look after the means in foundation we look after the anti-termite works, then reinforcement works, then concreting works, and after the development of retaining walls and vertical membranes, we go for the waterproofing work so that the leakage does not happen in further future. We do river groutings and all, and just so that the structure is properly water means the basement structure is properly waterproof. In the case of superstructure, we should provide scaffoldings, properly double staging scaffoldings using lasers and verticals, or you can use using ms pipes, which is provided for mainly for the workers safety purpose, because while working in beams of it, while placing beams of it, they might get fall. So if they are tied with using safety belt, with the scaffolding work, and also with the rope provided periphery, they may not get injury, proper safety helmets, proper safety boots, hand gloves, and rather we will say goggles and earplugs wherever excessive sound is means excessive noise pollution is going on. We should provide them noise plugs, means earplugs and all these. These are the basically things we should follow. We should and more, as a site engineer, being a site engineer, I'm currently working at Durgapur, West Bengal, in a double basement G plus 16 residential and commercial project. Here I am looking after as an execution engineer, where I have to look through all this which I have means which are the topics I have mentioned. I have hereby attached the following things, which the basic things which we follow during site construction, which we follow. And from the step by step I have mentioned, the site is still under progress due to covid. It started in 2019, but due to covid it got delay. It is under HERA registration, that is under West Bengal Housing Development Authority. And the project is at now is at almost in a final phase, we can say. It's a structural work almost completed, 13th floor, and 14th floor is under construction. It will take hardly 6 to 7 months to complete up to the as a contractor engineer. It will our works will continue up to the month of September and October, and after that finishing jobs will go on. That time we have to, for the rectification works, we have to keep labors, we have to stay here for the labors, but basic works will get over by end of August or September. So hereby I'm attaching my detail means attaching my point of some of the point of views which you may like, we on my particular my personal experience on site management, which I can say from the construction departments, from for construction works. So hereby thank you, goodbye.